And welcome back to my channel. So today's video is actually a vlog, but I wanted to start it here just so I can shout out the sponsor of this video, which is Victoriaswig, and I'll show you guys how the wig looks like. I have it right now. That's why I have a bonnet on, because you know, as black girls, we don't just sleep, we sleep with protection on. That didn't sound right. But I will be wearing this wig for 2 weeks because I take a break from wearing my braids sometimes just so I can condition my hair and, you know, let my hair breathe a little bit. Yes, I do wear my natural hair in Korea. It's just like a lot harder to style, and because of my job, my clients prefer if I have braids on sometimes, and I also personally prefer braids because 4C hair is a difficulty, okay? It's difficult out here with 4C hair in Korea. But today I'll be hanging out with my friend and I'll show you guys if it's too hot for a lace in Korea, because I honestly feel like I can feel my lace melting and I'm only in the house. I'm not even outside yet. So, AC on. I'm like honestly not the best like wig stylist, if that's a word, I don't know. But I have been trying a lot. I have been trying a lot to be better at it. But I don't really necessarily wear wigs often enough, but let's see. Oh, it doesn't even look that bad, just like this though. The hair is so soft, like it's actually insane. This hair is really soft. Like I had a photo shoot with this hair, and it was even hard for the girl to style my hair because it was so soft. The hair was originally black, but I don't look that good in black hair, I think. So I did dye it to a chocolate brown, which took me only like 30 minutes to dye. And I used Korean dye. I didn't use like bleach or anything. I just straight up dyed it a blonde color, and obviously blonde on black hair just kind of turns into a brown. But yeah, let's see. I don't want to really style it any more than this. This looks good already, right? I'm gonna use a little bit of gel just to lay the flyaways. Y'all, it's so hard wearing a wig in summer in Korea. It's actually crazy. Like, I don't know how people who don't wear braids do it in the summer, but God bless y'all, because I am feeling y'all difficulties right now and I don't think I can do it. This wig is a scalp, what is it called, a scalp wig? I don't know. I'm gonna put the details in the video as I am styling it, because I don't know wig terms, I guess. I don't know wig terms, so I'm not even sure what it's called, but it has a fake scalp. Oh, there we go, it's a fake scalp. It has a fake scalp, but I still have a wig cap on because I just want to protect my hair a little bit more so it doesn't get entangled or anything like that. So I think I'm done here. I'm gonna put a little bit of lipstick on. So I just got to Lotte. I just got to Jumpsuit where I'm meeting my friends. And yo, when I tell y'all people are staring like there's no tomorrow, well, I get stared at, period, so I know that. But a lot of people are staring, and I have like the worst social anxiety ever. And there's so many people here today. And I'm just like, my friends need to arrive because I can't do this anymore. I'm about to cry. There's so many people.
It doesn't look like this.
Yeah. We're trying to decide what to get. I'm thinking of getting the beef tartare or the spicy chicken. Which one do you think I should get? Beef tartare or spicy chicken?
I think spicy chicken.
Do you know what I'm worried about, to be honest?
Why?
That bread.
Why?
Oh, it looks white bread.
Which one? Which other one are you looking
Beef tartare. It's like over there. Like right there.
Ooh, that also looks good.
It looks good, right?
I think, yeah, beef tartare. But the bread is healthier too.
This is a lot tinier than what we thought was coming. She already started eating.
But it's good.
It's good? It's good, but it's so damn tiny. Like, what's good? Look at my hand. My hand can just take it all. So, we just finished eating. Like a floating head. But we just finished eating and it's really hot. I'm not into it. And it's really hot, so I have to use my fan. Do you know what I'm using the fan for? Because I'm scared my wig will unglue. That's why I have a fan. Because it's gonna start lifting. Girl, she's trying to touch my wig. So what? I'm leg. What do you mean so what? Oh no, not touching my wig. If it falls, I'm leaving Korea.
It's not gonna fall.
No. I would leave Korea, seriously. Do you know how embarrassing that is? So anyways, we're gonna walk around, maybe go to a cafe. See you guys soon. See you soon. Get some cool air. Stop being heated. So this is my outfit today. White skirt. Well, it's actually pants, but white skirt, orange, and then the hair. And this hair is so nice. It's so nice. It's like soft. I actually really like this. I forget. It's so soft. Yeah. So soft. See, she like it too. It's so soft.
I wish you had bangs, but your forehead's too small.
I like my forehead.
No.
I really like my forehead.
Your forehead is really small, so I feel like a bang would be weird.
It would literally be like here.
It would be like one of those. Have you seen those Korean girls that will have like they put it like on top of their, or is it just
It's because of the pencil. Yeah. Basically done the vlog now. I am shining like a diamond. The oil in my face right now is insane, but the wig has stayed in place today. It's a safe day. I was inside most of the time, to be honest, because I went to nobody wants me to film, but I went to this panel, so I was inside in the AC most of the time. So my advice to people who are coming here who wear wigs, buy one of these. Buy a fan, because you will be fanning your wig the whole time you're wearing it, because glue will start unsticking. And to be honest, I'm not the best with wigs. Like, sticking it and all these things is still really, I turned it on by mistake. It's still really hard for me, but I'm not a wig expert. I'm trying. I think I look pretty good though. Like, I love this hair. Like, I think I look like a little black Barbie today, and I am loving it. So yeah, but anyways, this is basically my day with the wig. Hi everyone. You're gonna shout yourself. This is a Mal.
Hi. Possibly my tits are out to the world, but whatever.
Boobies out. She's serving boobs for me and you guys too. Like,
We're trying to get.
I'm just kidding. Just don't drop it, girl. Don't drop it.
Oh wow, this is actually great. Look at me.
It's really nice.
This is actually really nice at night.
You look really good. Yeah.
Oh my, I do. Can I like let me just see this.
Right.
Yo, my beat is amazing.
You look good. You're ready to go out.
I really am.
But anyways, guys, this is where I end the vlog today. It was really nice vlogging for once. I didn't vlog that much, to be honest, because there were so many people, and the staring that was happening today was insane. Like, oh my god, I was getting stared at left and right, and especially when I'm with Wig on, we get stared at a lot, so I didn't want to pull out my camera when all the staring is happening, because, you know, social anxiety. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video, which will be a story time. Maybe it should be a shady story time, we don't know. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.
Nikupende